Hi everyone, welcome back to byluckysir YouTube channel. If you are a Java developer or .NET developer or front-end developer or any kind of developer, only coding is not enough nowadays to survive in software industry. In real companies, you will be judged by one thing. Can you build, deploy, debug and support your application in real production or not? Okay, so today I will explain the top must-have skills. Without these, your software engineer life becomes difficult. I will tell one real-time example. Core skill is your engine, like Java, .NET, React, like that. But these extra skills are your steering, brakes, fuel, and GPS. So without them, you cannot survive in modern projects. First main skill is Git and PR workflow. In companies, work happens through Git and pull request. So you must know advanced Git commands like branching, merge versus rebase, solving merge conflicts and doing code reviews. I'll tell you one real-time example. So suppose there are two developers changed the same file. If you don't know the conflict resolution, you will waste hours and delay the release process as well. So therefore, every developer or software engineer should know advanced Git commands and PR workflow as well. And second skills are REST API. Most applications talk to the other systems through APIs only. So you must understand HTTP methods like get, post, put, delete, and status codes as well, and pagination, version, clean error responses. I will tell one real-time example. Suppose there is a mobile application calls your API. If your error messages are unclear, front-end team will keep come back to you daily. And third one is authentication. So most of the applications or softwares, they are expecting more security on their application. So security is mandatory nowadays. So you have to learn minimum JWT and OAuth2 basics. I will tell you one real-time example. Suppose your service is calling another service with a token. If a token expires, calls fails. If you don't understand this flow, production issues will happen and you will struggle. So therefore, authentication and authorization skills, basic skills are mandatory. So you have to learn JWT and OAuth2. And next one is Docker. Nowadays, most of the applications run on the Docker. Okay, you should know how to build an image, run a container and pass environment variables and read container logs. And next skill is CI/CD. So nowadays, modern development teams, they are deploying frequently on this CI/CD only. So you have to learn the basics of Jenkins or GitHub Action or Azure DevOps. You have to understand pipeline stages like build, test, quality checks and deploy. The next skills are logging and monitoring and correlation ID. So this is how real engineers becomes valuable. So you have to learn how you can structure the logging, log levels and correlation ID to trace one request across services. And also you have to know basic knowledge of monitoring like matrices and alerts. And the next skills are debugging and production support mindset. So companies love software engineers who can debug calmly. So you have to learn step-by-step debugging like reproduce, isolate, check logs, check configuration, check database, confirm fix and prevent repeat. And also learn RCA. RCA means root cause analysis. Finally, you have to learn some design patterns and unit testing as a developer. So if you learn all these skills, then you will be very valuable engineer in their organization and you will get opportunities to work in on-site also. If you want more videos like this, then follow our byluckysir YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the like button and also share your networking as well. Okay, so I will come back with one more useful content video. Till then, thank you very much.